morning to all. Today we are going to learn about the active voice and passive voice of the chapter 3 of 12th standard. Grammar, active and passive voice. Okay, you had already, I hope you know very well about the active voice and passive voice. So, let us recall it very short. So, active and passive voice, before learning that we have to know how to divide the sentence into subject, object and predicate. The sentence pattern you have to know, then you have to know the pronoun, then we will discuss about the rules. Okay. First we have to change the subject of the sentence into object of the sentence. Then the object of the sentence take place in the subject of the sentence. Then all we have to supply the helping verbs, auxiliary verbs according to the noun. Then we have to change the present tense all the verb into the past participle form. Then we have to add the agent by. Then the subject of the sentence will come as the object of the sentence. Okay, this is the rule we have to follow. Let us see. So the first and the foremost thing, for example, I will explain you. See, the man killed the lion. Okay, first you have to in the forest. This is just an example. I hope you know the man, the subject, killed is a verb and the lion is a object here. In the forest is a adjunct place. Okay. So, first and foremost we have to take the object in the place of the subject. So, the lion. Then we have to supply the auxiliary verbs according to the subject. The lion. Lion is a singular. Then we have to concentrate on the tense. Killed. It is a past tense. So, I have to divide like this. It is a simple way. Is, was, are, were. Okay. 4. The basic. This is the present. This is past. This column is for singular and this column is for plural. Okay. So, the lion is a singular, killed is a past. So, singular past tense. So, singular past tense, singular past. So, was. So, the lion was killed by the man in the forest. Okay. The rule number 1, we have to know what is the subject and what is the verb and what is the object. So, then the next thing we have to place the object in the place of the subject. So, we are bringing the lion in the place of the subject. According to the subject, we have to supply the auxiliary verb. First, we have to see whether the noun subject is a singular or plural. We had identified the lion, it is a singular. Then we have to see the verb, it is in the form of past tense. So, the past tense singular, we have to supply was. So, killed, killed, past participle, it is killed. Then we have to supply the by, then the subject will go in the place of the object. So, I had taken this man there and we are writing the adjunct at the end. This is how we have to divide, change the active into passive. Okay, let us read the rules which is given in our book. The object of the active verb is made as a subject of the passive verb. So, the object of the active verb is made as subject of the active passive. Okay. Next, the subject of the active verb is made as the object of the some preposition, generally by. So, we are using this by here. The verb of the active voice must be past participle form of the finite verb. So, we had changed this kill, killed, killed. So, past participle. The tense of the verb does not change. The tense will not change. This tense, this is a past tense. So, was. We should not change this was into some other thing. When the verb expressing command, advice, request or at the time we have to use let is placed in the beginning of the subject. So, we have to use the let. Okay. Also place the passive infinitive without to or before be. The passive of the form of the passive verb will be let subject, be plus verb in the third form. Okay. While changing the present infinitive into the passive form, we have to write to be plus verb. Okay. Past participle verb. To be completed, to be finished. Okay. That is the thing. Then in some cases, everyone, they, people, someone, nobody, somebody, everybody, etc. can the sentence change into passive. For example, the prize were distributed to the at the end of the function. So, the prize were distributed at the end of the function. So, such example, they won't mention this, somebody distribute, யாராவது distribute பண்ணிப்பாங்க, அந்த மாதிரிலாம் என்ன பண்ணிக்காது சென்டென்ஸில் இருக்காது. Okay, while changing it. Okay, they use by is considered, we can use by, then they say has to be changed into it is said. they say ன்னு கொடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அதை நம்ம it is said ன்னு மாற்றுவோம். சரியா, command request இருந்தால் requested அப்படிங்கிறதெல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் ப்ளீஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். let imperative sentence இருந்தால் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், let யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, there they had given some examples, we will solve that at the page number 77, task 1. 77. Okay, so task 1. The first is A. The question: the governor inaugurated the exhibition at 10 o'clock. Okay, the governor inaugurated the exhibition at 10 o'clock. This is the sentence. We have to change this into a passive form. So, the first thing we have to find which is the subject, the governor. Inaugurated is a verb, the exhibition is a object. Okay, so this is a subject, this is a verb and this is an object. So, first thing we have to bring the object in the place of the subject. So, the exhibition. Here inaugurated, exhibition is a singular, there they had given inaugurated, singular past tense. So, the auxiliary verb we have to use was. The exhibition was inaugurated. So, it is in the form of past participle also, inaugurated. So, the exhibition was inaugurated, we have to use the conjunction preposition by. Who is the agent there? The governor. The doer is the governor. So, the exhibition was inaugurated by the government at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. This is how we have to change the active into the passive. Okay. So, the object is the exhibition. Then we have to supply the auxiliary verb according to the subject and the noun and the tense, that is a singular past tense. It is in the form of past participle, inaugurated by the governor at 10 o'clock. Even we can use this at 10 o'clock by the governor. Okay. Then we will go to the next one. Second statement. The crowd expected their leader to arrive early in the morning. The crowd expected their leader to arrive early in the morning. Second one. The crowd expected their leader to arrive early in the morning. Okay. So, the crowd is a subject, expected is a verb, their leader is a object. To arrive early in the morning is a adjunct. So, now as per rule we have to change. First is the object has to take place in the place of the subject of the passive form. So, their leader Leader is a singular and it is a past. So, the leader was expected to arrive early in the morning by the crowd, or by the crowd to arrive early in the morning. That is our choice. Expected to arrive early in the morning by the crowd. Okay, let's go to the next one. Who taught her computer science? Who taught her computer science? It is in the interrogative form. So, who is there? So, we can change by whom taught her computer science. Taught is in the form of past tense. So, we have to use was. By whom was? This is a object. Computer science taught only. Taught to her. This is the one. Another one we can write, by whom was she taught computer science? By whom, both are right. By whom was, her is there, no? So, she taught computer science. Both are right. Okay. Then we will go to the next one. The unanimously named Ravi the captain of the team. They, D1, they named Ravi the captain of team. The captain of team. Okay. So, how named is a tense? They. Now we will change the object. This is a subject, verb and object. Okay. So, first object was Ravi. Here it is in the past form, singular past form is was. Ravi was named the captain of team unanimously by, they will change into them. The objective form of they is them. Okay. Next, the president gave the commander an award. The president gave the commander an award. An award. Okay. How we have to change? The president gave the commander an award. So, we can write an award. Award is a singular. Gave is a past form. So, an award was, gave will change into give, gave, given. The award was given to the commander. The award was given to the commander by the president, by the president. Okay. Okay, we will go to the next one. Okay. Do not tell a lie. Do not tell a lie. Do not tell a lie. Okay. Do not tell a lie. It is a imperative form. How you will change? If it is in the form of imperative, we will use let. So, let not a lie, then we have to use to be told. We can use by you or no need. Do not tell a lie. So, if it is in the form of imperative, we can use let. So, not a lie is a object, here we are using as a subject, a lie. Because of using this, we have to use to be plus verb in the past participle. So, to be told as per rule. Okay. Next G, please open the door. It is also again it is an imperative. So, how we will write? Let the door be opened. Okay. Next one, H. It is time to stop the work. Stop the work. How you will change? It is time to stop the work. It is time to stop the work. So, the work we have to make it as a subject. So, we will write this, it is time. This is the object, the work. So, we have to take the work. It is time, the work, we have to take this work here to be, then this has to, the stop will change into stopped, to be stopped. Okay. So, it is a time, the work to be stopped. Okay. We will go to the next one. They say he is a spy. They say, we have to change into it is said. Okay. So, according to the rule, they say he is a spy. So, they say we will change into it is said. It is said that. It is said that we have to write as it is. He is a spy. So, according to the rule, they said it will change into it is said that he is a spy. Okay. Next, one should keep one promise. It is important in all the questions they will ask this. There is a possibilities of asking this question in your test paper. One should keep one's promise. So, one should keep one's promise. So, first is the object, that is a promise, one's promise, you will keep promise or one's promise or a promise, we can write a promise should keep one, should keep, it is given there. So, we have to change should be kept. Promises should be kept. Because should is there, so we are using be kept. Okay. Then the next one. If people burn a great deal of the wood in the winter. So, which is the people is a subject, burnt is a verb, and a great deal of wood in the winter. Great deal of the wood is a object. In winter is a adjunct. So, how you will change? The object is a great deal of wood. So, the great deal of wood is a present, and burn is a present tense. So, a great deal of wood is burnt in winter. Okay. Okay. So, K is a great deal of wood we have to, the great deal of wood is burnt in winter. So, next one, where had you kept the book? So, this is a question type, where is a question word, had we have to write as it is, the object is a book, so we have to take the book there, where had the book been kept? Okay, where had the book been kept? And next one, when did you feel the tumor? So, when was the tumor felt? Okay. Next, how did you do the experiment? So, how was the experiment done? By you or you need, you can add, otherwise it is no need, it is meaningful. Whose car did someone park in front of your gate? So, whose car was parked in front of your gate? Whose car was parked in front of your gate? So, the same thing. Next one, you have to change the following sentence into the active. How there we had changed the active into passive, here we have to change into active. Okay. See, the smuggler has been nabbed by the police. So, I will do half and remaining have to do as a homework. Okay. Task 2, page number 78. Okay. The smuggler has been nabbed by the police. The smuggler has been nabbed by the police. So, there what we did? We will change the object into the subject into the object. So, definitely which will be the subject? The police. Doer will be the police. The police has been nabbed. So, has nabbed. Okay. Has, the police. So, it is has nabbed the smuggler. We have to remove the, just reverse. Okay. We have to remove the by. There we have to add the by. Next. Next, by whom were you interviewed? By whom were you interviewed? So, how you will write by whom? So, definitely who were you interviewed? So, who interviewed you? Okay. The third one, why were you scolded by your parents? So, why were you scolded by your parents? So, which will be the, why is same, scolded, they had given scolded, so we are using did. Why did your parents scold you? Okay. Why did your parents scold you? Next one, not a word was spoken by the convict in self-defense. So, how we will change the convict? The convict does not or did not. Spoken is there, no? So, did not. Spoken will change into speak. Did not speak a word in self-defense. Okay. This is nothing, just we have to do in reverse. Okay. If you know the rule how to change the active into passive, then it is easy for you to change the passive into active. Okay. Then good news is expected shortly. It means someone, doer is not there. So they expect good news shortly. They expect good news shortly. Next, the mail has just been received. How you will change? The mail has just been received. So doer here they had not shown, so we can use they. They have, because it is mail they had used has. They, because of they we are using have. They have just received the mail. They had just received the mail. Sundar has been taken to the hospital. Sundari has been taken to the hospital by her husband. How we will change? Sundari has been taken to the hospital by her husband. So who is the doer there? Doer there, husband. Sundari's husband. So her husband we will change into Sundari's husband. Sundari's husband. Sundari's husband has been, we have to change into has taken. Has been will convert it into has taken. Sundari's husband has taken her to the hospital. Okay, this is how we have to change. Next one. Our television is being repaired now. So here they had not used any doer. So someone, we can use this someone or somebody, anything. Someone is being repaired. We will change is repairing. Being we will change into repairing. It is repairing. Someone is repairing our television now. Someone is repairing our television now. So, sweets has been distributed to the children by the organizer. Who is the doer there? Organizer. So, the organizer have not been distributed. We have to change have. We have to remove been. Then we have to change have not distributed. The organizer have not distributed the sweet to the children. Okay. The prize were being given by the chief guest. Chief guest was giving prizes. Next. Nobody has been seen in the library this week. They have seen nobody in the library this week. Nobody would have, that is non-applicable. We can't able to change because it's already in the form of active. So, L it's not applicable. We can't able to change. Next, the question is wrong. Next one. You are advised to help the poor and the needy. So, how you will change? You are advised to help the poor and the needy. Help the poor and the needy. It's in the form of imperative form. You are requested to make a cup of tea for the guest. How you will change? Please make a cup of tea for the guest. So, this is how you have to change the active into passive and passive into active. In the next class, we will discuss about the question tag. Thank you, my dear students.